નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, now the continue chapter, so chapter number 8 in exercise 8.3. In exercise 8.3, the first question is related to profit and loss percentage. Now then the second question is convert each part of the ratio to percentage. This means here given ratio, in this ratio convert into the percentage form. Then how to? So first of all, dear students, given a part, it means 3:1. So first of all, the total part, you have to find the total part. What is the total part? It means 3 plus 1, total part is 4. Now find the ratio. It means 3/4 multiply by 100 and 1/4 multiply by 100. 3 total part multiply by 100, 1 total part multiply by 100. Why 100? Because we are converting to the percentage form, so here is multiply by 100. Now is the cut. It means 25 fours are 25 multiply by 3 means 75 percentage. And second one is, here is 25 fours are 1 multiply by 25, it means this one is the 25 percentage. It means 3:1 each part of the ratio to converted percentage. Each part of the ratio, it means 3 part, it means 75 percentage, 1 part, it means 25 percentage. So understand students, our first one. Same for our second question. In second question is given 2:3:5. It means here given how many digits? Total 3 digits. So same process, no change. So first of all, you have to find the total part. It means 2 plus 3 plus 5. The total part is means 10. Now 2/10 multiply by 100, 3/10 multiply by 100 and 5/10 multiply by 100. So this one is our 3 part. A 0 cut, it means 20 percentage. 0 cut, it means 30 percentage. 0 cut, it means 50 percentage. So this one is the our percentage ratio to convert into percentage form. Here also for the ratio to convert into the percentage form. So understand the first two, clear? Same for the our next two. Here is the 2 digit and here is the 3 digits. Same process, no change. 1 for the first of all find the total part. It means total part is equal to 1 plus 4. Total part is means 5. Now find the ratio for the each part. Find the percentage of given ratio each part. It means 1/5 multiply by 100 and 4/5 multiply by 100. Here is the 25 is 100, 1 multiplied by 20 is means 20 percentage. Here also for the 25 is 100, 4 multiplied by 2 is means 8, it means 80 percentage. It means here is 20 percentage and this side is the 80 percentage. Understand? Fourth one, first of all find the total part. So total part is means 1 plus 2 plus 5, it means total part is 8, right? Now find the ratio, it means 1/8 multiply by 100, 2/8 multiply by 100, 5/8 multiply by 100. Here dear students, 25 4s are 100 and here is 4 2s are 100. So 4 cut, here remaining 25 and 2, it means 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2 is means 12.5, right? Same for the in this way, 2 4s are 4 25s are, it means 25 percentage. And the last one is, here is a 4 2s are, this one is 25 4s are, 25 multiplied by 5, 125 divided by 2, 125 divided by 2, it means your answer is 62.5, 62.5 percentage. So this one is the given is the 3 types of the percentage. In this questions 62.5 percentage, 25 percentage, 12.5 percentage, right? And this one is our 3 types of the percentage of each part. This one is the first part, this one is the second part, and this one is our third part. So understand students how to solve in this types of the questions. This one is the our answer 20 percentage, 30 percentage, 50 percentage, 75 percentage and 25 percentage. So this one is the our question number 2. So let's start our next question is the question number 3. So in this question number 3, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. It means decrease percentage हमें find करने हैं. So dear students, decrease this means the one type of the loss, right? And increase is the one type of the profit. So here in this questions is that using the one word is means decrease. Decrease is means loss. It means find the loss percentage. So first of all we will find the loss. It means decreased. So what is the decrease? So 25,000 minus 24,500. This means total how many? 500 population is decreased. Now find the decrease percentage. This means the one type of the loss percentage. So what is the loss percentage formula? Write down here decreased percentage. Decrease percentage. Decrease is means one type of the loss. Here using the loss percent, this one is also for the right, but in this question using the decrease word, so we are writing here decrease word. If you are write here loss percentage, then why? This one is the right. So loss percentage formula, loss by CP multiply by 100. So loss is means one type of decrease. The decrease is means 500. CP is means cost price. Cost price means first price. The first price in this question, the first population is 25,000. Then after decrease 24,500. This means this one is our cost price. So write down here the 25,000 multiply by 100 is as it is. Understands how to solve? Now 0, 0, 0, 0, one more zeros cut. 5 5s and 5 2s. It means how many percentage population is decreased? 2% population is decreased. Understand students how to solve this types of the word problem? Okay. Now to the question number 4. In the question number 4 is the same for the question number 3. In the question number 3 is using the decreased. Decreased this means loss percentage find. And question number 4. So let's about the question number 4. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up rupees 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? Here dear students using the one word is means increase. Increase is the one type of the profit and decrease is the one type of the loss. It means in this question we will find the profit percentage, right? So bought and then after the increase price. It means bought is means first of all find the profit. So profit is means 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000. It means total how many profit? 20,000. 20,000 rupees profit. This one is understand profit. So bought it means this one is our one type of the cost price, and next year price will be increased. Increase this means this one is our which type? The selling price. So what is the profit formula? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So here is SP minus CP. So this one is our profit. Clear? Understand? Now profit is get. Now find the profit percentage. Why? Because here in this question's answer is percentage. So write down increase per percentage. Increase percentage. Increase percentage is the one type of the profit percentage. What is the formula? The profit by CP multiply by 100. So what is the profit? Profit is means 20,000. CP means cost price is here given 3,50,000 multiply by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 cut. Here 2 and 35 is remaining. So dear students, if you are cut here 7 5s, here is cut, it means 20 5s. 2 multiplied by 20 it means 40 by 7. So 40 by 7. 40 by 7. Now to convert into the percentage. This one is the ratio. The 40 by 7. The 7 5s 35. Here is 5 is remaining. Point is here. 0 is here. Right? Clear? Then after 7 7s 49 and 1. This means how many? 5.7%. This one is the approximately percentage. Here is the continue. Then after ये इसे आप डिवाइड करोगे तो ये आगे चलता जाएगा. We are approximately percentage 5.7% increase value of a car. So understand students how to solve the word problem in this type of the word problem. Increase is means profit, decrease is means loss. This one is the simplest. And then after we will find the using the profit percentage formula or loss percentage formula. Understand?
Thank you for joining us.